Brisbane.
Is it school holiday in Australia or? Welcome to Bali!
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Padma Bali on Padma Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Padma Bali on Padma Street. And our today start from the east part at the junction on Padma Legian Street and also Padma Street. So let me show you around here. Hello! Welcome to Bali! Yeah, this is Padma Legian Street. And start from here, I will make video in this area from the east part until to the west part on Padma Street. So let me show you how busy Padma Bali today. The weather just so blue sky. Looks so beautiful, isn't it? And we hope together we will see a lot of tourists in Padma Bali today. Hello, how are you? Where do you come from? I'm good.
Australia.
Where about?
Brisbane.
Is it school holiday in Australia or?
Just I think a week or two after.
All right, now but still busy.
Yeah, a little bit.
Enjoy your holiday, yeah? I just make YouTube for administration in Bali.
Oh yeah.
Have a good day.
You too, huh?
Yeah, let's I'm gonna say like step by step Bali is getting busier because peak season is coming up now from last month usually until of October, because last month also school holiday in Australia, so that's why quite busy. But now school holiday is over, but still a lot of tourists in Bali. They're just so good. Wow, tattoo studio, the Sky Ink. Wow, it's good. Wow, a lot of artists inside. It's good. Hello. Wow, busy. That's good. Looks so busy, isn't it? Last video, when I make video in this area, not really busy, but today we can see more tourists in this area. They're just really good. I hope you know exactly where we are at the moment. We start walking from the east part until to the west part on Padma Street. Hello. Wow. Busy. That's good. And this is the local Legian, also nice hotel, nice location because location is in between Legian Street and also Legian Beach. It's quite busy, isn't it? It's good. New building up there. New shop coming soon. Hello, how are you? G'day, brother. Hello, welcome to Bali. Wow, beautiful smile. Left side, same. Oh, features over there, same. Same, nothing in here now. Nest. And he say, you are also singing in Australia. Wow. Why you didn't tell me? Busy over there is good. Tourists everywhere. That's good. Busy, isn't it? And at the front, one OS sport bar. Well, not really busy because now is not soccer competition yet. See? Yeah. Not busy yet. But future inside over there already is good. Big screen, a lot of big screen here. See? Cross Street, also future is over there. That's good. I hope you know exactly where we are at the moment. Some loud music behind me, so I have to talk louder than the music. Beautiful girl. She's my second wife actually. Mozzarella. And the next we have another restaurant we call Sushi Casa. It's like Japanese restaurant. Sushi Casa over there. Wow, not so busy yet. Cross Street. Wow, future is over there. It's good. It's quite busy, isn't it? Rama Garden, left side. Oh, same, quite busy over there, same. That's good. If I turn left, there's Garlic Line Legian Bali.
I should have probably gone to Lakama, but there's another Lakama.
Wow. Future's at the restaurant, that's good. Hello, how are you? Wow, busy over there, it's good. What do you think in this area? It's quite busy, isn't it? I mean, like more busier compared with the last video when I make video in this area. Step by step, Bali getting busier. It's good. Hello, welcome to Bali. You have beautiful smile. Wow, that's good. This is Poser Pub. Wow, quite busy at Poser Pub. It's good. Hello. Welcome to Bali, brother. Busy, 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 busy. Wow. A lot of tourists at Poser Pub. You see? They're just so good. If I turn right, there is a Padma Street. But now I will continue walking on Padma Street. This is another restaurant we call Ngakan restaurant. Wow, quiet, usually busy. Wow, pictures over there actually at the restaurant. And this is Padma Resort. Big resort in Padma Bali. And they have a restaurant just by the beach over there. Padma Legian. I will take a walk until exactly at the front Bali Mandira. Woo. Just the beach is another of 200 meters over there. There's the Legian Beach Bali. Yeah, this is Bali Mandira. The Legian Hotel in Padma Bali. Okay guys, so this is our day today in Padma Legian Bali. So what do you say? It's quite busy, isn't it? That's good. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because I saw people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the best session at the moment in Padma Legian Bali on Padma Street. And don't forget to the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Top World. Thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.